So students, yesterday we completed textbook exercises. Today we are going to do our chapter number 8, the clothes we wear. Why do we, first day 1, page number 13. Why do we need to wear clothes? Answer number 1 is here. Why do we need to wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect ourselves. हम अपने को बचाने के लिए ठंडी और गर्मी से बचाने के लिए कपड़े पहनते हैं और हम सिविलाइज हम एक अच्छी सोसाइटी में रहते हैं. अर्ली ह्यूमन तो नहीं है, सो वी वियर द क्लोथ्स. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज वी वियर क्लोथ्स टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स एंड वी लिव इन civilized society. Second answer is answer number 2. So second answer is I am going to write here in this box. Check yourself. So why Kashmir people wear thick and woolen clothes? Kashmir people Kashmir is in cold region, C-O-L-D cold, R-E-G-I-O-N region. So people wear, आपको बोर्ड क्लियरली दिख रही है स्टूडेंट्स? People wear thick woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Okay, so this is day 1. Answer the following questions. A exercise. Okay, why do we need to wear clothes and why Kashmir people wear thick and woolen clothes? So students, write down this one. A अभी कर लो. I am going to erase this one. Okay. Next one is, may I write here? Okay. This is exercise A of your worksheet. Now I am going to erase. Exercise B is fill in the blanks. Exercise B is fill in the blanks. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. 1. Clothes and dash are related to each other. Climates. First answer is C-L-I-M-A-T-E-S. Climates. Second one is the early man hid himself means hid means छुप जाना, बच के रहना. किससे? ठंडी और प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम कोल्ड एंड हीट से और ठंडी से बचने के लिए अर्ली ह्यूमन कपड़े तो नहीं पहनते थे, तो वो क्या करते थे? ट्री और केव्स में छुप के बैठ जाते थे. ट्री और केव्स मीन्स गुफा. ओके. थर्ड वन, थिक एंड woolen clothes are used in Kashmir. Okay. 4. People can be recognized by their dresses. अभी अलग अलग धर्म के लोगों का अलग अलग टाइप का ड्रेसेस होते हैं. हिंदू लोग हम अलग टाइप्स का, सिख अलग पहनते हैं, मुस्लिम अलग पहनते हैं, क्रिश्चियन अलग पहनते हैं. सो दे रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय देयर, कैसे? ड्रेसेस के वजह से. Okay, this is our fill in the blank answer. Now exercise C, write true or false. Okay students, I am going to write here, write true or false. Exercise C, T for true and F for false. Punjabis are fond of dancing and singing. Yes, they always joyful fellows. वो कोई भी फंक्शन में भंगड़ा करते ही हैं. सो अपना फंक्शन में वो करते हैं, joyful fellows हैं. So Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Guru of Sikh. So yes, it is correct answer. True one. Third one is The early man knew how to make clothes. No, वो क्लोथ ही क्यों नहीं पहनते थे? क्योंकि उनको कपड़ा बनाना ही नहीं आता था. So this statement is false. Now come to the fill in the blanks. I am going to write here fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blank. The man's kurta of Rajasthan is called the man's kurta of Rajasthan is called Angaraga. Day 2 Angaraha. Okay. Second one is sari wear by Marathi women look like. मराठीज को लेडीज होते हैं, उनका साड़ी जो पहनते हैं तो वो कैसे दिखता है? नीचे से धोती जैसे. दे डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट. दोनों लेग के पीछे से वो ऐसे डिवाइड होके साड़ी पहनते हैं. ओके, धोती जैसे दिखता है. ओके, देन इन केरला लुंगी इज कॉल्ड मुंडू और तमिलनाडु में वेस्टी बोलते हैं. Now fourth one is dash people wear typical dresses. Nagaland people wear typical dresses. Nagaland. Okay. Fifth one is in summer we like to wear cotton clothes. Cotton. Now six dash is multicultural state. Himachal Pradesh is multicultural state. Himachal Pradesh is multicultural state. This is page number 13. Now we are going to do page number 14. True and false. Okay. Now we are going to do page number 13. May I erase this part? Yes. Now it is visible to everyone. सबको दिख रहा है बेटा मैं बोर्ड पे क्या लिख रही हूँ? Now we are going to do. This is of day 2. I am going to erase this one afterwards. Now I am writing here page number 14. That is exercise B, day 2. Bengali women wear sari. Yes, it is true. Lungi is called मंगल इन तमिलनाडु. फॉल्स. इसको वेस्टी बोलते हैं हम. फोर्थ वन इन इंडिया वैरायटी ऑफ ट्रेडिशंस एंड कल्चर्स आर फाउंड. यस, हम इंडिया बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है. यहाँ के अलग अलग धर्मीय लोग और अलग अलग राज्य के लोग भी रहते हैं. उनका पहराव अलग अलग. जनरली पीपल वियर टिपिकल ड्रेसेस. नो, नाउ मॉडर्न ड्रेसेस भी हम पहनने लगे हैं. Brahmin means wear tight fitting chudidar pant. No, it is wrong. Dresses of cities have been influenced by modern culture. Yes, cities में जो रहते हैं वो modern culture से impress होके influence होके ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हैं. Yes, it is correct. Now day 2 C exercise MCQs. Day 2 C exercise is MCQs. आपको ये वाइट दिख रही है बेटा? वेट, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्लियर इट. इसको क्लियर कर दूंगी और आपको अच्छे से दिखे. सो डे 2 का सी है एमसीक्यूज. एमसीक्यूज में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हिच वुमन वियर ओढ़नी? हरियाणवी वुमन. C. Then lungi is worn by men in which state? Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now day 3. Fill in the blanks. Colorful dresses is used on special occasion. हम हमारे घर में कुछ भी स्पेशल ओकेजन होता है तो हम कलरफुल ड्रेसेस, न्यू ड्रेसेस पहनते हैं. वी चेंज अवर क्लोथ्स विद द चेंज इन सीजन. सीजन जैसे चेंज हो जाते हैं हम अपना पहनावा भी चेंज करते हैं. पहनते हैं, समर में हम कॉटन क्लॉथ्स पहनते हैं। डैश पीपल हैव देयर ओन ड्रेसेस यूनिफॉर्म। प्रोफेशनल PROFESSIONAL professional. Number 4, religious people have their traditional dresses. Okay, this is now exercise B of page number 13 is write it true or false. Page number 14 पे है ना अभी भी. Okay, page number 14 true and false. This is a doctor can be recognized by their traditional dresses. No, doctors अपना professional dress पहनते हैं. डॉक्टर का wear होता है white coat. So this statement is wrong. They 3 false. People change their dresses according the change in weather. Weather जैसे change हो जाते हैं हम अपना dresses change करते हैं. So it is true. A Muslim is a religious people. Yes, उनका धर्म है, मुसलमान एक धर्म है, वो अपना धर्म को follow करते हैं. So this is page number 14. Now come to the page number 15. Last it is MCQs. Page number 15. Mrs. Verma is lawyer. Mr. Verma lawyer. He wears professional dresses. Option C is correct option. Second one, which state was under the Portuguese for a long time? Goa. A is गोवा स्टेट जो है वो बहुत टाइम तक पोर्तुगीज के अंडर थे. उनका पहराव और उनका लाइफ स्टाइल स्टिल वो अभी भी कुछ लोग चेंज हुए बट स्टिल वो मॉडर्न पीपल जैसे ही रहते हैं बिकॉज पोर्तुगीज वहाँ पे बहुत दिनों तक राज किए थे. ओके, दिस इज वर्क ऑफ चैप्टर 8 वर्कशीट. आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू PDF. प्लीज do yourself. If any correction is there only that time you have to correct it from my PDF copy. Okay. Hello my dear students. As you know we already completed chapter 8. Today I am going to start my chapter 9 from your page number 60. Page number 60 chapter number 9 is our festivals. Why do we celebrate festivals? We celebrate festivals with all our relatives, only with the ones living in our city. Festivals are times celebrating important events or occasions along with friends. हमारा जो इम्पोर्टेंट ये होता है उसको हम सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए टुगेदर होते हैं. उसमें नेशनल फेस्टिवल, रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल एंड हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल करके 3 तरह के होते हैं. जो रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है उसमें दिवाली, क्रिसमस, रमजान, ईद, बुद्ध पूर्णिमा एंड महावीर जयंती मीन्स सम कास्ट के रिलेटेड ये फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं. नेशनल मीन्स पूरा नेशन के लोग उसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. हार्वेस्ट मीन्स जब हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल जब हम मनाते हैं उसमें आता है हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल आर सेलिब्रेटेड थैंक गॉड फॉर गुड हार्वेस्ट. अच्छे क्रॉप आने के बाद हम ये फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इंडिया इज़ अ कंट्री ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं. Our festivals. Can you name any festival? Who celebrates the festival? How do you celebrate your festival? India is a land of festivals. Perhaps India has the largest number of festivals. People of all religions live in India. Therefore, all festivals are celebrated in India. Festivals is a festival is a period of celebration. The day of festival is a special day. People prepare for the festival. On festivals, people greet one another. They exchange good wishes, gifts and sweets. Children love to wear new clothes on the festivals. festival. Most of the festivals are holidays. Do all people celebrate all festivals? India is a big country. Different people of different castes and religions live here. They may have their own festivals, but some festivals are such that all people celebrate them together. The festivals may be categorized in 3 groups as national festivals, second one religious festivals, and third one is harvest festivals. Now we will first learn about national festivals. National festivals. These are the festivals which are celebrated all over the country and are important for the nation. The government also celebrates these festivals. There are 3 national festivals in our country. These are exchange means word meaning give and take. Harvest means reaping and storing of a grain. Okay, here there are 3 national festivals in our country. These are the Independence Day. This festival falls on August 15th. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Since then, 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. This festival is also celebrated officially at district headquarters, state capitals and national capital. The main function is held at the Red Fort in India. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag and address the nation from the Red Fort. He also goes to the Amar Jawan Jyoti to pay homage to unknown soldiers who died in 1971 Indo-Pak War. Fact: Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children, called him Chacha Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Republic Day. The festival falls on January 26th. India became republic on 26th January 1950. Therefore, the government declared it a national festival. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. It is officially celebrated at the district level, state level and the national level. The main function is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. People come to see this function from far and near. The main attraction is the grand parade. The president takes the salute. Former President of India on Republic Day. Now turn the page number 61. The armed forces, police, folk dancers, NCC cadets and school children take part in it. Beautiful tableaux or jhankiyas from different states, different departments are the major attractions of the function. Look at these pictures. Parade, tableaux or jhankis, bravery award winning children on the Republic Day. So next part of this page. Fact: Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad was our first president. Gandhi Jayanti, second national festival. The Gandhi Jayanti, October 2nd, which is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, is celebrated as a national festival. Mahatma Gandhi united people across the country and inspired them to fight for freedom without pulling arms. He is called Bapu and Rashtrapita, father of the nation. His Samadhi is called Rajghat. His Samadhi is called Rajghat, where the main function is held. The President and Prime Minister pay their homage at his Samadhi. Prayers are also held all over the India on this day. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar of Rajkot, Gujarat. Now, search mirror, cadet, a student in naval or a military academy. Samadhi, burial place means जहाँ पे हम समाधि करते हैं वो वाला. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 63. Mahatma Gandhi's Samadhi at Rajghat. Religious festivals. These festivals are related to religions. Holi, Diwali, Dashera are the main Hindu festivals. Guru Purab is Sikh's festival. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha are the main Muslim festivals, and Christmas is the main festival of Christians. Holi, it is festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March, mostly in North India. This picture is of Holi. Diwali, it is the festival of lights. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya, his home, after 14 years of exile. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day. Patterns on floor called rangolis are made. People exchange sweets and gifts. Children enjoy bursting crackers. Celebrating Diwali with rangoli. Dashera, it is also called Vijayadashmi. On this day, Lord Rama killed the demon king Ravan. It gives the message of the victory of good over evil. The celebrating Dashera. Page number 64. Of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt on this day in the West Bengal. This festival is celebrated as a Durga Puja, where people worship goddess Durga. Basant Panchami, it marks the beginning of spring. On this day, people worship Saraswati, the goddesses of learning. Basant Panchami. Raksha Bandhan, on this day, sisters tie Rakhi on their. This picture is of Raksha Bandhan. Brothers rest and pray for their welfare. Brothers in return pledge to protect and take care of them. Ganesh Chaturthi is the birthday of Lord Ganesha or Ganapati. This is an important festival of Maharashtra. Guru Purab is the festival marks the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. Most important is Guru Nanak's birthday. Various programs are held at Gurudwaras. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs. The main celebration is held in the Golden Temple at Amritsar. This is the picture of Golden Temple at Amritsar. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha are the main festivals of Muslims people. Now, celebrating Eid, this picture, dressed in new clothes, go to mosque and Idgah to pray. On Eid ul Fitr, sevai and special dish is prepared. People wish Eid Mubarak to one another. Christmas, it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December all over the world. Prayers are held in churches. Gifts are exchanged and Christmas trees are decorated. It is believed that Santa Claus presenting gifts to children. Santa Claus presents gifts to children. Christmas celebration. This is Christmas Day and gifts. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals, Pongal. It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu for 3 days. Cows are fed with Pongal rice. The sun god is worshipped on this day. Pongal rice is prepared by cooking rice in milk with a jaggery. Celebrating Pongal. Onam. Onam, it is celebrated in Kerala, wearing of new clothes, having a special meal on banana leaves and enjoying boat races are the main features of this festival. Onam celebration. This is Onam celebration. Now turn the page number 66. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated in the month of April. Picture of celebrating Baisakhi. Bihu. Bihu is the state festival of Assam. It is associated with farming, folk dance, and Bihu dances mark the festival. There are 3 Bihu festivals in year, coinciding with 3 farming phases: sowing, sapling, and harvesting. Important birthdays. 14th November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is celebrated as Children's Day. 5th September is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. It is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Birthday of Lord Mahavira is celebrated as a Mahavir Jayanti. Birthday of Lord Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. Birthday of Guru Nanak Dev is celebrated as Guru Purab. Now come to this is picture of Bihu. Now come to the quick review. India is land of festivals. Festivals bring happiness and unity. Festivals are of 3 types: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day, and Independence Day are our national festivals. Main functions of national festivals are held in Delhi. Diwali, Dashehra, and Holi are important Hindu festivals. Guru Purab is an important festival of Sikhs. Christmas is the religious festival of the Christians. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha are the festivals of Muslims. This is our chapter reading, students. Today I am going to send you hard words. That hard words you have to write in your fair notebook. Okay. Now come to the explanation of this chapter. I am going to explain from beginning, page number 60. Okay. Page number 60. Our festivals. How do you celebrate festivals in your family? Okay, आप अपने फैमिली में फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेट कैसे करते हो? डू यू सेलिब्रेट विथ ऑल योर रिलेटिव्स और ओनली यू? ओके, आप खुद अपना फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हो ऐसे पूछ रहे. नाउ कम टू दी पेज नंबर 60. कैन यू नेम एनी फेस्टिवल? आप कोई फेस्टिवल का नाम बता सकते हो? हु सेलिब्रेट द फेस्टिवल्स? कौन फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? हाउ डू यू सेलिब्रेट योर फेस्टिवल? कैसे आप अपने त्यौहार को सेलिब्रेट करते हो? इंडिया इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स. इंडिया जो है वो फेस्टिवल्स का लैंड है. वहाँ हमेशा महीने में एक बार तो फेस्टिवल्स होते ही हैं. परहैप्स इंडिया हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स. इंडिया जो है वो बहुत नंबर से बहुत ज़्यादा हम फेस्टिवल्स करते हैं. पीपल ऑफ ऑल रिलीजन्स लिव इन इंडिया. हर तरह के जात के लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं. देयरफॉर ऑल फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया. सभी जात के लोग एक साथ मिलजुल के रहते हैं, इसलिए हम सब फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेटेड करते हैं. अ फेस्टिवल इज़ अ पीरियड ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन. फेस्टिवल मीन्स उनको सेलिब्रेट करना, एंजॉय करना. द डे ऑफ फेस्टिवल इज़ अ स्पेशल डे. यस, फेस्टिवल जो डे होता है वो स्पेशल डे होता है। उस दिन हमारे घर में स्वीट डिश बनती है और हम नए कपड़े पहनते हैं। पीपल प्रिपेयर फॉर द फेस्टिवल, पीपल हम लोग फेस्टिवल के लिए प्रिपेयर होते हैं। अभी हमारा अपकमिंग फेस्टिवल जो है जन्माष्टमी है, हिंदू लोगों का फेस्टिवल है, उसके लिए हम प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं ना। उसके बाद गणेश चतुर्थी आती है, उसके बाद दशहरा आती है। ऑन फेस्टिवल्स पीपल ग्रीट वन अनदर, हम फेस्टिवल के दिन एक दूसरे को विशेस करते हैं और ब्लेसिंग्स लेते हैं। दे एक्सचेंज गुड विशेस, गिफ्ट्स एंड स्वीट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन लव टू वियर न्यू क्लॉथ्स ऑन द फेस्टिवल्स। मोस्ट ऑफ द फेस्टिवल्स आर हॉलीडेज। सुनो बच्चों, जब फेस्टिवल होते हैं तो हम अच्छे अच्छे खाना बनाते हैं और बच्चे और बड़े हम सब लोग अच्छे अच्छे नए नए कपड़े पहनते हैं। और इस सभी फेस्टिवल्स में मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा गवर्नमेंट हमें हॉलीडे देता है, क्योंकि हमें सेलिब्रेशन करना